Achoo! Achoo! Zig Lake! We need a boat to get across the lake, and fast! Do you see a boat? Yeah, you found a boat! Whoa! The boat is missing some of its color. What color do we have to paint the boat? Red, right! Say rojo! Rojo! Now we need oars to row the boat. Do you see the oars? Yeah, there they are. Uh-oh, the oars are missing some of their color. What color do we have to paint the oars? Yellow, right! Say amarillo! Amarillo! Now we need life jackets. Salvavidas! So we can be safe. Do you see the life jackets? Yeah, there they are. Uh-oh, the life jackets are missing some of their color. What color do we have to paint the life jackets? Orange, right! But Arcoiris, you don't have an orange stripe. I know what to do. We can mix red and yellow. Red and yellow make orange. Anaranjado.